This video shows you how to set up Claude Code for free without needing to pay for subscriptions. Traditional methods like local inference require high-end GPUs. Official plans have high recurring costs and vendor lock-in. Our API routing hack is free, requires no GPU, and involves zero model management. The coding agent reroutes to a cloud router using free models instead of the official API. Crucially, you must leave the default Anthropic API key explicitly blank to prevent system conflicts. Step 1 is to generate your routing endpoint key. Create the key and make sure to copy and save this string. You have two options for environment configuration: the global approach, which edits your shell profile, or the project approach, which uses a local JSON file for scoped isolation. In the global approach, ensure the Anthropic API key is explicitly empty, as shown. Run the log command inside an active session to clear cached credentials before restarting the terminal. Method B, or the project approach, uses a local settings.local.json file within a .claude folder for scoped isolation, which doesn't affect global machine settings. Filter the models by free. You will see models like M2.5, StepFun, Minimex, and NVIDIA, which are available at zero cost for programming tasks. In your configuration, set the Anthropic_model and Claude_code_sub_agent_model variables with your chosen model ID string to ensure all auxiliary tasks use the free routing. Execute Claude to initialize the CLI. The terminal output confirms the connection status and that the free model routing is active. You can now use Claude Code for development. Here's an example of generating a SaaS landing page with structure, CSS, and pricing tiers using a simple prompt. You pay exactly for what you use with microsense billing. You can swap models instantly with zero subscription required.